Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to create a voice AI agent for salon or hairstylists or things of that nature. It's not necessarily random because I actually know the owner of this salon, but use what they already have on the net and then post it into something that the agent could kind of pretty much predict, simulate. So as you can see, this is landing page for a hair salon that's located in Virginia. The number, the contact, how to book, their booking, pretty much their platform to book their services. A lot of people who do bookings, they rely on specific sites like this, just in case you wanted to enhance that again through voice AI, where someone might actually be getting a lot of calls or a lot of information that's coming in through the phone, or people just calling them on a random. They could be able to just integrate this into their platform so that they're not necessarily missing out on anything. So they could be getting booked appointments from their online platform, and then also if people are just more comfortable with giving them a phone call. Once you scroll down, you see all of these options, right? It says like wash and blow, U-part, wig installment, snake braids, all of this helpful information. Copy something like this, go into a chat GPT, create a prompt, analyze this link and extract all of the information about their name, price, services, location, and hours of operation. Create a markdown format prompt so that I can create an AI voice agent that automatically books appointment for its owner. The company is called Niche for Hair. This is just an example that I'm using for the purposes of this video. Create that prompt, put the site, right, or the landing page in the prompt so it can analyze it. Then it's gonna just spit out all of this helpful information. You can go ahead and copy this, and then we're gonna go right back into Vappy. You're just gonna name the agent on the top. As you can see, we already have the owner's information here. Copy that prompt into the system prompt. I already edited some of the things that I wanted to fix. For example, the AI agent was pronouncing their name wrong a little bit just because it's spelled a little bit uniquely. But when you go into prompting and understanding and refreshing the agent, you're gonna find little things that you wanna change about it. So as you can see, all of the information was extracted, hours of operation, the services, everything is extracted here in the system prompt that we just created in GPT. And make sure your voice is set up. Run it through ChatGPT another 3 times just so you can make sure the prompt is active. So just make sure everything is in here, how to take payment, options, hours of operations, critical booking rules. Do not break these rules. So all braid services are only available on Tuesdays through Fridays. So if I wanted to book on a Sunday, I won't be able to do it. Let's go to installing a phone number. So the good thing about Vappy is you get 10 free phone numbers when hooking up the agent. And then you pick an area code, you get free US numbers. So that's to be mindful. So if you're operating outside of the United States, you're just gonna have to use a different platform. New York phone number, because this will be like a New York based salon. Then you wanna assign the phone number to the assistant. And I already tested it, but if you can see, that's the number right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on speaker, and I'm just gonna act like I am testing it for like my little sister or something like that.
Hi, thanks for calling Niche for Hair. This is Kim, Donnie's assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey Kim, how's it going? I want to set up an appointment for my little sister to come in and get braids and also get her hair washed and things of that nature. So just wanted to know what you guys had in terms of appointment set up for the week.
Hey, it's going good over here. Thanks for asking. And you're a great sibling for getting her set up. We can definitely braid and a wash. Quick heads up, so we book it right. All braid services are Tuesday through Friday only. No braids Saturday or Sunday. 2 quick questions. 1, what kind of braids is she wanting? Knotless, small, medium, large, seeded, stitch, Lonnie, or something else? 2, what day this week were you aiming for? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday?
Okay, so I think maybe the knotless braids, I probably want to secure that, but she might actually change her mind by the time she actually get there, so I'm not 100% the expert on braids. But is it possible that we could come in on Monday?
Got you, and no worries, you don't have to be a braid expert. I'll help you sound like one by the end of this call. To
Okay,
And for not listening.
I think I could get it in maybe on Wednesday. It doesn't necessarily have to do Monday, but we could probably do Wednesday. But I want to do in the early afternoon, so maybe 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Wednesday works, and 1 p.m. is a nice civilized time. Your system will still have a full day, and nobody has to wake up at dawn. For most braid services, we require a $50 non-refundable deposit to secure the appointment, Cash App or Apple Pay. Which one do you want to use? 2. What's your sister's full name for the appointment?
Okay, so we could do Cash App. If you could just send me a text of the Cash App information, I'll make sure I send a deposit. And my sister's name is Jane Doe. Go ahead and end the call. But as you can see, you could just start a voice agent on your own that fully comprehends, talk to you, and just really book appointments for you. But that's pretty much how you set up an AI agent for maybe a hair salon, a barber shop, or any of these type of services. You want to make sure you get a lot of the information. Obviously, the agent knew everything. I tried to book the appointment on a Monday. They said for this type of service, you can't book it on a Monday. So it knows all of that information. So it's really helpful to work with your clients to get a lot of that information within the prompt so that the agent knows that. But let's automate this. I'm Anthony Virgo.